Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best portable washing machines for small spaces and travel. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. 8L Folding Washing Machine Bucket for Clothes, Socks, Underwear Cleaning Washer. A small, portable washing machine ideal for cleaning clothes, socks, and underwear. This 8L capacity machine folds for easy storage and features EU/US plug compatibility, making it a convenient option for travel and home use. Advantages: compact design for easy storage, ideal for travel and small loads, easy to use. Disadvantages: limited capacity. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. 6L 11L Folding Portable Washing Machine with Spin Dryer. This portable washing machine offers both a 6L washing and 11L spin drying capacity. Its foldable design makes it easy to store, while the mini size makes it perfect for travelers or small apartments. Advantages: foldable for compact storage, spin dryer included, suitable for small apartments. Disadvantages: limited washing capacity. At number 3. Full Automatic Washing Machine, 25 pounds Portable Washer. This full automatic portable washing machine offers a 25 pounds capacity, 10 wash programs, and 8 water levels. It's ideal for camping or apartment use, providing convenience and flexibility with a built-in drain pump. Advantages: 10 wash programs, large capacity, ideal for apartments and camping. Disadvantages: larger size may not be suitable for very small spaces. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. 15 pounds Portable Washing Machine, Electric Washer and Dryer Combo. This electric washer and dryer combo provides 9 pounds washing and 6 pounds spinning capacity, making it perfect for light loads. It features a built-in pump for draining and is an ideal option for small apartments. Advantages: washer and dryer combo, built-in pump for draining, energy efficient. Disadvantages: may not handle large loads well. At number 1. ZenStyle Portable Washer Compact Twin Tub 9.9 lb. This twin tub washing machine has a 9.9 pounds capacity, with a washer and spinner feature. It includes a 6.57-foot inlet hose, making it easy to connect to your water supply, perfect for smaller spaces. Advantages: compact twin tub design, 6.57-foot inlet hose included, suitable for small apartments and RVs. Disadvantages: requires manual operation for some functions.